friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin Design. Today we are going to learn nested template, means template inside the template. This is simple UI. I am not explaining this, but source code is available um, here. You can copy from here. So I'm only explaining all the logic for the of the MVVM, how will the data will bind to the template, and that data will bind to the inside the template, and inside the template I have nested 3 layers template. So uh, it will be very helpful for you. So let's begin. Before beginning the code, I'm you have noticed that I'm not posting the video regularly because I'm facing some problem. I need your help. I'm busy in Google Pay API integration. So I don't know where I am using it. So I have already created business profile, but it is under review. I have also integrated with this this is a bank UPI ID. It is already verified, but business profile is not approved. And if you want to see what I have used the logic code, I already asked in the Stack Overflow. See, I have already added this code, but I don't know where I am missing the logic. I am getting always the payment failed, the transaction is maybe risky. This is the current account Google Pay UPI. Okay, I want to know that which UPI will become your bank UPI ID will come, or Google Pay UPI ID. And if we Google Pay UPI ID will come, then what I am missing? Do I have to go through? Sorry, do I have to go through this business profile approval, or wait for the business profile approval? Means if business profile is approved, then I will be as payment successful. So please answer me in the comment section. I will be very helpful, uh, thankful for you. Because from 15 days I am trying to search this UPI integration, but I am failing. I also tried with PhonePe, but I didn't get any success. Please, I request all of you to please help me in this integration. So let's begin with code. Uh, this is a label. This is label. This is speaker. Okay. This is list view, and this is collection view. Okay, so first of all we will see the view model, because all the logic are in the view model. Okay, I also created video for login page using MVVM. So here this is the page where you this is the video where you can learn the how to create a login page using MVVM. So you can go through it, and this is my page where you can learn all the UI designs. I have explained each and everything, each and every step in this UI design, so you can go through this all the videos. So a main thing is that base view model. This is the base view model. I have explained this base view model in the login MVVM video. In this video you can go through this and understand this base view model class. Okay, this is the main class, and this is I have written the command for loading the item. This is not required now. this is the employee view model. Means first you have to create a view model. Yeah, first I have to create a view model. For what you will be required. So this is name, address and city. Okay, this is for name, address and city, means picker. This is for list view and this is for collection view. This is for list view and this is for collection view. So I want to show here list and here also list. So I have taken the generic list for all these three. Okay. Other thing, I want to show the page scrolling. I don't want to show the scrolling in the list view. I want to show the date height need to be set height of the list view, yeah, according to the data. So what I have done, I know the height of each data, means one data. So for one data the height will be 40. So count of the data into 40. So create that property. Same for the property of the collection view. I want to show two column, means there are 4 data but I want to show 2 column. Okay. So what I have done, the data count divided by 2 plus 1 because if there are odd numbers of count, then it will not show. If divided by 2 by if there are odd count, divided by 2 is equal to, for example 7 divided by 2, it will give something which will be equal to 3, but I want to show the 4 row. Okay, because it will show 1 2 3 4 5 6 and here 7. In the 4th row there will be 7, but if I don't use 1 plus 1, then it will give only 3. So use plus 1, so it will show last row if the record count is odd, into the height of the data, height of the row. Okay, and these are the classes in which property are there that I will assign to the picker. This for list view, this for collection view, this for picker. Okay, so first of all create your view model. The view model should be in the one class. Okay, then what you have to do, convert that class, use that class as a property. Okay, and return and the set property here. This set property will be inherit from this base view model. On the load, I want to load all the data. Assign see, I have load all the data. You can use API here or any method to load all the data. I have written static here. Okay, this is name, address, this is city, this is for technical skill, means list view, and this is collection. And I am returning the employee view model class. Okay, sorry, I am assigning that employee view model to data to this data property. And if you want to load on the page load, so please assign in the constructor. Okay, and on appearing is busy is equal to true. I will tell you why it is I have written this one. Okay, fine. And let's begin. Please try to understand this. This is a little complex. So this is first page. Okay, here I have written frame for my detail. This is my detail. Okay, this is template. This is another template. This is another template. So this is label. This is template for my detail. This is template for list view. This is template for collection. So we will go through one by one template. In my detail template, see, I have written label and picker. Okay, so you have to in this, what you have to do here in my info means main page. In the main page you have to binding context is equal to information view model. You have to assign to the binding context. Okay, and on appearing I want to load the data. Basis is busy is equal to true. If it is busy equal to true, then it will load the data, means it will start refresh view. Why? Because I have assigned here is busy equal to true. If it is busy equal to true, then it will load this command. This command. Okay, what this command is doing? This command is executing this this logic, this method, means it is populating the data. Okay, so this is the data type I have assigned to it. So in each template you have to assign the data, the class property name. Okay, you don't have to assign the this view model property. You have to assign the class property field name. Okay, so in every template I am assigning the class property field name. You can see here I have assigned for my detail. For my skill I also assign data, and this I also assign data. Okay, now we will look for my detail template. So in my detail in here in main page I have used here information view model, because in information view model I have assigned this property. Okay, and this is the class. So if I assigning this data to the this template, so data type here will be employee view model. Okay, so I am assigning employee view model property to this control. Okay, this is the city list. This is the city name. I hope you know why I am writing this city name and city list. If you don't understand, then let me know. And we will see next template list view. This list view is having another template. So I'm assigning here employee view model data type, and here I am assigning item source as technical skill list. Technical skill list class name is technical skill. Okay, so for this template, the data type will be the technical skill. See here, you can see here for the list view template, I have used technical skill uh, class name. Okay, and I have bind the property of this class. Same for the collection view. Sorry, this is collection view. I have assigned the property employee view model because in main template I have assigned the property as information view model, that I have binding data whose property is the employee view model, which is class. Okay, so in this class I have education list F12. This is education list. Education list class name is education. Okay, so this template data type will be the education. And one thing here, I have set height request, that I have explained you how to set the how to calculate the height. So create property and assign bind this property to the height request. In this way, whatever you want to bind, you have to create that property in the classes and get the data or assign the data to that property and bind that property to here to the controls property. Okay, I know it is little complicated, but still I am trying to explaining you. So in education templates, this data type will be the education, where I am binding the name property. Okay, so this is the property name under the education. So it's very simple. You have to only understand the logic, as it is very simple. Okay, so in this way you can create the nested template. Okay, if you have any question, please ask me in the comment section. I will answer you everything. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please share this video to your friends. Thank you.